Hey guys, Portia here, and someone asked me how I did this, added a bling drawstring to a hoodie, and I want to share with you guys the simplest way to accomplish that. So shout out to Elaine for this question because it is something that people do struggle with. So here is the plan for today. We are going to remove the old drawstring from the hoodie. I'm going to show you a tool that you could use, or a couple of different ways to put the string back into the hoodie. And then also I'm going to show you a little bit of an upgrade with a bling drawstring. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so here are the tools that we need today. I got my hoodie, we got a regular drawstring in there, and here I have some bling drawstrings. And we also have a drawstring threader, and this is another one. Now I found, you kind of see it cracked here, I found that I prefer to use this one or either just the drawstring end cap itself, because with this one, unless you're using like a soft drawstring that doesn't have metal to it, it's easier to pull through something that's soft rather than hard. So, but this is still an option. Now let's go ahead and take out this regular drawstring. And this is something that you don't cut unless you have to. Sometimes people just make that mistake, don't know why, but we don't have to do that. So we just pull that out. Now we're just going to go ahead and attach this to the tool. And I like to do this like I'm threading a needle and thread, but you don't have to like go all the way down, just a little bit like this. And we do have metal here too, so we want to make sure that our threader can get through as well as the end cap can get through. And then you just push this through. Now that's in. And then you feel and pull, feel and pull, feel and pull. And that is pretty much it. So let's go all the way around. Pull that through. Alright, so we still got our piece there. We can pull that out. And now there we have it. We have rethreaded a drawstring. Now, to me, this putting it in with the tool can sometimes be like the cleanest way. Now, the other thing you can do is just simply use your fingers. So we have this metal tip here, which is good for guiding the piece through. The thing about this one is that it just takes a little bit more patience because you don't have as long of a guide to get through, because you're just using, as opposed to this long piece, you're just using the short end of the metal tip there. But it still works all the same. It's definitely easier when you're using a plastic piece or a smaller part, but you just literally a little bit of patience, push and pull. It's still the same, push and pull. It's literally, it's just slower, y'all.
A few moments later.
Oh God, yeah, we finally made it through. But like I say, it's still not like that difficult of a task. It's just very monotonous. You could do this while watching TV or listening to an audiobook or something like that. But we made it through, right? It just wasn't as quick. Now, let me tell you another thing. So you could just simply attach a safety pin to the end of this. So, you know, put the safety pin on, close it, use the safety pin as a lead, and then that'll also help you get it through. But I didn't have any today, but I believe you guys get the point. Now, let's go ahead and do what we talked about, which was from the very beginning, we talked about the bling upgrade. So let's go ahead and get that one placed in. This aside. So I made this particular hoodie a little while back, and I thought, as opposed to it having a simple black drawstring, a bling string would look much better. So I got a few options here, guys. We got regular silver. I wish I had had the AB to match the actual AB Hotfix rhinestones here. We got black and we got pink. Today, let's go ahead and rock the black because I think that looks pretty cute in this hoodie. And let's grab our threading tool. All right, leave a little bit of a tail there, and let's get this one in. Push and pull. We're just gonna push and pull. All right, see if it likes us here. And there we go. Now, like I said, these are a little bit thicker than, of course, the cloth. So you might do a little bit of tugging, but you ain't gonna break it, y'all. So just go ahead and get it pulled through. Gonna take that out, set it aside, and let's see what we got. See, we picked up some lint here. But I think that is adorable. It is totally a major upgrade. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you all how to switch out the drawstring from a hoodie and also do a little bit of a bling upgrade. If you guys have any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found the video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you give it a like? But guys, as always, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.